Good morning, everyone. Thursday? No, Friday? I don't know. I don't know my days anymore. January 9th, whatever that is. We have a pulse, which is good. Uh, yeah, last couple days. Oof. Boop, 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 boop. So we got a little traction yesterday. I did a 10,000 end and relist, and I did that at like 6:30 in the morning Eastern time, and went out and sourced, and I came back. I was back about 3:30 ish, 4 o'clock, at two sales for like $20 or something like that. Horrendous. So it did pick up a little bit, but here was, I think this one may have been my last end and sell, or I don't do sell similar, end and relist there or there. One of those two. So you can see half, definitely half off, which is it's weird. So, anywho, so just real quick, I did sourcing yesterday. I'll have two videos coming out, actually three, two for everybody, and the third one will be for members only. And actually, the road tripping and postcard picking will be released first to the members, and then later, like a week later, we'll go to everybody. Gotta take care of my members. Okay, let's get pulling. C48. Yeah, I don't know what to say about eBay sales. They just haven't been good for a while. Um, just waiting. Sorry, I have my I have two of these. Hold on. I have a webcam on my little squirrel buddies. Trying to get it to stream to YouTube, but I just can't get the port forwarding or something. Something's not working. So I put out a whole bunch of peanuts for the squirrel bros and the crow bros, and they've been popping in every once in a while. eBay says I have two of these. I only have one. Oh no, there's the second one. Okay, same. C48. Always got to be careful with these type of advertising, huh? Oh, I don't know if that showed up. There. I think that's showing up. There's that one. Just in case people are like, "Oh, I didn't. You were supposed to send me cans of cashews and peanuts. All I got was a postcard." There's two of those guys, and they like to. Well, one chases the other one away. Too bad I can't hear them. AJ1. We'll keep that up until he disappears. But they've just been shoving them in their faces. They don't like the corn cobs. They don't like those. AGA1. But I could sit and watch this all day. But let me see. Mickey Mouse and Goofy doing something. This is a lenticular. Playing pool, maybe? Yeah, playing pool. Cool. Lenticular. I don't know which way it goes. Oh, there we go. Cool cards. Nice to zoom in on that guy. Oh. Where'd he go? Something happened. I made him disappear. Okay. Well, enough of the squirrel buddies. So we did lenticular. Couple airplane cards already pulled. Got the the flight deck for the Concorde. And it says I'm out of these. I have one left. I'm going to keep it as 0 just in case this one doesn't show up. I have a backup. I'm sure I have a whole bunch more of these somewhere. Got another airplane. It's just cheap stuff. With 100 or 44,000 postcards listed, I would just expect a little bit more. But today, as soon as I get done with this video, I'm going to get listing. I bought about 75 cards yesterday, sourcing. I'm going to add those to the auctions that are going to start Sunday. Oh, we got a little bird and a little squirrel frolicking, living in harmony. How have your sales been? I've seen comments, people saying that theirs have sucked too. What is today? Friday, right? Yeah, Friday. So got the postcard shows going on this weekend. I have a Whatnot show Saturday. So come check me out over there. Rehoboth Beach. I was looking at this exact card yesterday at the antique mall, and I didn't pay $2. It might have been $3 he wanted. I didn't pay it. And I come home and one sold for $15. Well, he's just going to town. And I thought I could be able to zoom in. Yeah, it's not letting me zoom in for some reason. They're kind of weird. Oh, he's burying one. Oops. Funny, he just, or she, I don't know what they are, just shoved like 4 in his mouth and took off. They think I used to hunt them and skin them and eat them. Squirrel actually tastes kind of good. It does taste like chicken. Yeah. More airplane cards. Anyway, I just gotta keep listening. I know I keep on saying that, but I keep on needing to list, and I think that's how you get through this. Just keep on throwing cards up. These Ginger Nickelodeon cards, maybe a Gen Z are buying back some of their childhood. These were from 2000, so 26 years ago. What am I getting for them? So $5 each for those. What do we got? Omaha. I think this guy made me an offer. Can't remember if I accepted it. So this card, the guy made me an offer, a good offer, like $550. So I saw the offer had come in. I saw the message, but I had done an end and relist of the 10,000 items, and that card got caught up in, so it was ended and then relisted, and this guy bought it back Um, I would have accepted the 550 if I would have accepted it in time before I did the entry list. So anyway, long story short, good customer service. I need all the good karma I can get. I refunded the money, $2.74 back to the guy. So, like I said, if I could cross my fingers. Good karma. Need it. And again, just good customer service. If you were already going to accept the offer, why not just refund it? It's only $2.74. Finally, this one sold. This one I bought for $6 at the archive in 2024. I remember buying this one because anytime I pay up for a card, I kind of remember it. So, 3x my money. It's fine. I think it went out on an offer. Probably had it for, yeah, originally had it for $30. So, another airplane. This one came in on an offer, which I accepted. Same with the horsey. Every little bit helps. And then that one. I think that's it. Maybe we get a little surprise when I hit refresh. No surprises. Okay. Hopefully tomorrow's better. So I'm going to get some listing done for auctions. Hopefully next week just blows it out of the water. So keep listing. Oh, real quick. Today, tomorrow, DeLand, Florida. Today, all weekend, New Braunfels, Texas, and then this weekend, California. Get to the Postcard show. You'll not be disappointed. And then come see me tomorrow night. We'll do what's in the box tomorrow night. I got 3 or 4 more boxes from the garage from the York Postcard show. We'll get to those. I think I just did a raid train. February I have a raid train. Okay. Thank you, everybody. Hope your sales are excellent.